interview, obviously one was slightly nervous, and I went with the mind that okay, if nothing else, I'll just have fun today and come back.
Okay.
So and I wanted to have a productive discussion and a good time basically. So I went with that mindset, and so I think that positivity really helped me in that interview. If we come to the kind of questions that were asked, so I got like a range of questions, and most of them were related to the detailed application form. It started out with the internship that I had done in Nalanda University. Then there were some philosophical questions and governance related questions like why did you want to become an IAS officer, or what will you do if you become an IAS officer. And I had also a lot of literature related questions. So I would say that prepare your optional properly before you go. And especially if you have a little bit unique optional, then you are more likely to get a
More
question from
questions.
that. Literature is any literature actually is one of the more unique optionals that people take. And the beauty about this is basically, so I used to study GS for 3-4 days, and when I was exhausted, I can pick up a novel or a poet. No other optional will give you this kind of, like an entertainment and plus study sort of a combination.
True.
So that is very good with literature. So you hardly, without studying, you feel like you've studied so much. No, actually, without feeling that you've studied so much, you study so much.
Acha.
So that is there. And another good thing is that in literature, what they really want is your understanding of the text.
Okay.
Critics and everybody is secondary. The questions are all about how do you analyze the text that you have read. So it gives a lot of space for creativity and a lot of space for your developing your own thinking, which will help you in every other paper, whether it is ethics, essay, or all the GS papers also.
Great.
So
तो उसके लिए कुछ resources अगर आप refer कर सकते
Okay, so हमारे syllabus में literature में we have certain the entire syllabus is given in terms of drama, poetry and novels.
जी.
That is literally the 90% thing that you have to do. 10% extra is basically that you Google some essays on those texts, and you read previous year question papers, and if you feel that you don't understand a certain angle, then you Google on the net, you read some essays and you make notes out of that. Or you can read introductions from World View editions. They are good.
तो ऐसी कोई specified books नहीं है?
Nee, that is given in the syllabus. The core text is the main book that you have to read.
So if you follow that, that's
Yes,
good enough.
that's
Extra
good enough.
resources की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes.
Perfect. तो क्या scores आए थे आपके optional में?
I got 294,
Okay.
which is like pretty good for literature. But I think I could have done better because I at least wanted to cross 300.